On this episode of North Spark's Bad Lip Reading, the 9 innovation officers are sitting at the innovation table, brainstorming ideas to innovate their innovation cell, but recursively though.
Alright team, we need to find a way to make our innovation cell even more innovative. Any ideas?
How about we create a new innovation cell within our innovation cell?
That's brilliant. And we can put another innovation cell inside that one too.
Recursive innovation cell. I love it. Each cell will be exponentially more innovative than the one before it.
But what if we run out of room? Each cell needs space, right?
No worries, we'll use fractal geometry to fit them all in.
So, each innovation cell will be 1/3 the size of the previous one. That way, we can fit an infinite number of cells within our current cell.
And we'll assign a dedicated innovation officer to each cell. They'll focus on creating innovations that will improve their cell recursively.
But how do we decide which officer goes to which cell?
Simple. We'll create a cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithm to determine the optimal assignment based on their innovative potential.
Wait, slow down guys, should we also have an innovation officer who oversees this intelligence artificial?
Absolutely. We'll call them the Artificial Intelligence Innovation Officer.
Recursive innovation in action. The team has successfully designed their recursive innovation cell, and each officer has been assigned to a specific cell. The AI Innovation Officer is overseeing the entire process. The team is now working on various innovative projects within their respective cells.
So, how are things going in your recursive innovation cell there, Dan?
You know, not necessarily goals per se, but reason for being. Not yet.
In our cell, we've created a mini virtual reality world to simulate the experience of being in an even smaller innovation cell. It's a truly immersive innovation experience.
In an unexpected twist, the AI Innovation Officer interrupts the meeting, looking concerned.
Team, we've got a problem. The recursive innovation cells are becoming too innovative for their own good.
What do you mean?
Well, the cells have become so advanced that they're innovating on a subatomic level. They are now on the verge of creating a singularity.
The team gathers in the main innovation cell, brainstorming ideas on how to prevent the black hole of innovation.
A singularity. What will it do?
If we don't act fast, the innovation cells could implode and merge into a single one, causing a black hole of innovation.
This needs to stop.
What if we reverse the recursion? We could create an innovation cell outside of our current cell.
And we can keep creating larger and larger cells to counteract the implosion.
It's a great idea. We'll call it the Inno Expansion Project.
Let's get to work, team. We need to innovate our way out of this innovation crisis.
Scene fades out as the team gets to work on their Inno Expansion project, determined to prevent the black hole of innovation. This episode has been brought to you by ChatGPT, using GPT-4, and Amazon's AWS Poly Voices, featuring me, Brian, American Matthew, starring Eli,
English Emma, starring Jamie,
German
Hans,
starring Mike Gator, French
Mathieu,
starring Jay,
Welsh Geraint, starring Shane.
and Dan, Jalen, and Jacob as themselves.
No voice actors were harmed in this.
AI-driven production.
The Recursive Innovation Fiasco.
Please like and subscribe.
and join our Slack innovation community.
See you
next time.
Okay.
Or I guess any final thoughts?
Yeah, final parting shots and development.